Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackanons YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to lowercase a string in Python. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So on my screen is visible a simple variable in Python and it equates to the word Hackanons. And in this you can see the words H, A and N are capital. So we will see how to lowercase the whole word. For that, all I need to do is write a print statement, and inside the print statement I'm going to say string, that is the name of the variable, that is word, dot lower, and that's it. So basically I'm making use of the lower method provided by the string class, and this will return a new variable, that is a new string value, and that I'm printing on the output window. So if I run this, as you can see, the complete word is turned, that is reversed to a lowercase. Likewise, if you want to change it to a uppercase, you can make use of the method that is dot upper, and then all the words will be changed to uppercase. Let's say you want to change all the possible words to a lowercase but keep the first alphabet, that is H capital. We will make use of two methods. First, we will use the lower, and on top of that we will create another method, that is dot title. So basically dot title will simply capitalize the first alphabet of the word. So if I run this code, as you can see, the other possible alphabets in the word have been lowercased other than the word H. So that's it from this really quick and self-explanatory video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackanons YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.